confused lang ako
May maliliit po dyan, parang nasa 2 million. Mga 2 million
2
po
million?
siguro. Meron po
Dalawang
ganyan.
kalsada lang, 2 million yung budget, yung budget, yung income nila.
Ang pinakamaliit po kasi natin, according to our records na 2024, 1.3 million yung pinakamaliit na NPA ng barangay, pero that's in Samar. So I think sa Manila, kaya sila nag-iisang barangay kada ilang kanto dahil sa dami ng populasyon
Hindi ba natin
per
pwede
ilang kanto.
cluster na lang yun?
Actually, kung isa sa mga gusto namin po i-propose
Ayaw nila siguro,
is to-
siyempre ayaw nila yun.
isa sa mga magandang proposals po, Mr. Chair, is to merge some of the barangays para ma-pool yung resources. Kung
Correct.
if we're going to look at it economically, that would be a good idea.
Yes, but I don't think
But politically,
the barangay captains there in Manila will not agree with us.
Pare-parehong bida yung mga yun. Paano mo... Dati kasi 900 barangays yun. Pero tama ka ron. Kaya lang, nawala yung 3 streets, kaya nawala yung 3.
Siguro that would be a wise idea to have it clustered para kumonti naman yung mga barangay na nasusukupan ng Manila. Kaya lang talaga, politically, ayaw ng mga barangay captains. It must emanate from the House, dapat yung mga congressman ng Manila,
that would be
will have to act on it.
And meron pa pong mga barangay na ideally na emerge are the barangays na nasa below 100 na po ang population. May iba nga pong barangay, meron tayong iilan, very, very, very few, na barangay na ang residente na lang ay yung mga barangay officials kasi yung buong barangay naging mall na. Naging mall, nagkaroon na ng development. So actually, those are the barangays that should have been merged.
You're talking about Manila, no?
NCR, and I think it's NCR. May
Also
mga barangays
also in
NCR.
other cities?
Ano ba yung mga, Caloocan? Parang Caloocan, ano? Meron yata po sa Caloocan. Naging mall na yung buong barangay. Kaya wala nang population talaga doon.
Pero kumukubra pa rin.
Meron pa rin po sila.
Yes, Your Honor. There are cases. There's also one in City of Manila. The entire barangay is a private property and thus nag-zero po ang population. But they are not abolished yet. They still receive their share from the national tax allocation.
So, dapat itigil na yun.
I think there's wisdom in merger of barangays. We have seen that happen in Tagaytay, in Ormoc, and as well as in Bacoor City.
But we cannot do this. I mean, the Senate cannot do this. It has to emanate from the House of Representatives, yung kanilang mga congressman dun sa City of Manila. I cannot do this, you know. We have to convince maybe we have the convincing power to talk to maybe to the mayor, si Mayor Isko, and to the congressman of the City of Manila. Okay? Yes.